In QGIS 4.0, we can easily create smooth shapes using NURBS Curve. First open QGIS, then add a base map. Zoom to the area of interest. Now we will create a polygon layer. Let's create a temporary scratch layer. Go to layer, then create layer and new temporary scratch layer. Name it poly and geometry type polygon. Okay. It is in edit mode. If your shapefile or layer is not in editing mode, turn this on by toggle editing. Then click add polygon button. Then click the bottom arrow left to the add polygon button. Here you will see bunch of options. There select Digitize with NURBS Curve. Here you will find one option which will say NURBS degree. You can change this degree to make your shape smoother. Now let's start digitizing. We will digitize roughly and you will see the shape will become smoother. The more accurate you want, the more points you need to make. To finish, right click and you see with very few points we have created very smooth shape. Let's save it and turn off editing. We can change the symbology. That's it. Thanks for watching.